The new vehicle features a dragon-themed exterior design, measures 4,793 by 1,837 by 1,730 mm, has a wheelbase of 2,810 mm, and a 7-seat configuration. It is equipped with MacPherson independent suspension at the front and torsion beam suspension with wishbones at the rear. Interior features include reclining mode for the first and second row seats, 6-way electric adjustment for the driver's seat, 4-way manual adjustment for the passenger seat, magic folding third-row seats. IT home note: they fold completely flat for storage, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a high-quality 8-speaker sound system. The vehicle features a 7-inch full-color LCD instrument panel and a 10.25-inch full-color LCD central control screen, supports the HiCar smartphone connectivity system, and is equipped with features such as a rearview camera, rearview radar, and electric tailgate. The passenger compartment is constructed from 93% high-strength steel and comes standard with 6 airbags. The vehicle is equipped with the all-new Megawave Power 3rd generation 1.5 TG engine, producing a maximum power of 130 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 270 Nm, and a 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission. The WLTC combined fuel consumption is 7.22 liters per 100 kilometers. And the 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time is 9.4 seconds.